Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. It's computer lecture of class 9th, and we are discussing our chapter number 3, that is input and output devices. And in our previous lectures we have discussed that the difference between impact and non-impact printers. There are 3 types of impact printer and 4 types of non-impact printer, and we have discussed that impact printer produce noise while printing, and the output quality of impact printers are not better than non-impact printers, and non-impact printers do not produce noise during printing, and non-impact printer creates high quality output at higher speed. And in our previous lecture we have discussed electrothermal printer and electrostatic printer. Electrothermal printer use heated pins, and by using these pins it creates image of output on the paper, and electrostatic printer gives us output by using a stylus, and it can print more than 5,000 lines per minute. Our next question is question number 18. What are the differences between impact printers and non-impact printers? In our previous lecture I have told you that about impact printers and non-impact printers. By following these rules you will learn question number 18 by yourself, and today we will discuss our question number 19. That is, what are the plotters, and describe the basic kinds of plotters. That is, a plotter. A plotter is a large-scale printer, and it is used for drawing and printing maps or charts, etc. And it consists of one or more automatic pens. A plotter has one or more automatic pens inside it, and by using these pens it makes drawings on the paper, and it receives commands from a computer, and then it will give output on the paper. A plotter is large scale printer. Okay students, plotter is a large scale printer, and it is used for drawing and printing maps or charts, and plotter consists of one or more automatic pens. By using these automatic pens it creates output on the paper or on the maps or charts, and a plotter receive commands from a computer. We give command to the plotter from a computer, and then it will make drawing on the paper, and plotters are more expensive than printers. And we will discuss the types of plotters. There are 3 types of plotter. First type is drum plotter, second is flatbed plotter, and electrostatic plotter. Firstly we will discuss drum plotter. Firstly we will discuss our drum plotter. Drum plotter consists of a pen and a drum, and paper is wrapped on the drum that rotates back and forth. When paper is wrapped on the drum, then it produces output on the paper or on the charts, and during printing the pen moves horizontally and the drum moves the paper vertically, and different color pens are used to produce output in different colors. Okay students, these are few points of drum plotter. By learning these points you can learn your drum plotter. And our next type of plotter is flatbed plotter. Our next type of plotter is flatbed plotter. Flatbed plotter used for drawing maps on the paper, and it consists of 2 arms and a rectangular flatbed. Its name is flatbed plotter, and that is just like a bed, and paper is placed on the table for printing, and each arm contains a set of colored ink pens. It has 2 arms, and each arm contains a set of colored ink pens for drawing on the paper, and flatbed plotters are very slow, and these take These plotters take hours to print a complicated drawing. If any drawing is complicated, then it will take much hours for printing on the paper or on the chart. And now our third type of plotter is electrostatic plotter. These are much expensive than printers. And electrostatic plotters used for CAE. CAE stands for Computer Aided Engineering. Computer Aided Engineering means for drawing maps of buildings. These plotters can be used. And CAD, Computer Aided Designs, for any designs printing on the charts or printing on the. And electrostatic plotter used for CAM, Computer Aided Manufacturing, for manufacturing on the any chart that is used. Electrostatic plotters mostly used. Okay students, today we have discussed what is a plotter and types of plotter. And plotter is a large scale printer and used for drawing and printing maps or charts, and consists of one or more automatic pens. And a plotter receives commands from a computer to make drawing, and more expensive than printers. And types of plotter, there are three types of plotter: drum plotter, flatbed plotter, and electrostatic plotter. Drum plotter consists of a pen and a drum, and paper is wrapped on the drum that rotates. And during printing, the pen moves horizontally. Different color pens are used to produce output. And flatbed plotter used for drawing maps on the paper, and it consists of two arms and a rectangular flatbed, and paper is placed on the table. Flatbed plotter is just like a bed, and paper is placed on the table. Each arm, it has two arms, and each arm contains a set of colored ink pens, and these are very slow. And flatbed plotter take hours to print a complicated drawing. And electrostatic plotter, yes, these are much expensive than printers, and they used for CAE, Computer Aided Engineering. For example, for making any chart or for making any map of building. And computer aided design, for designing of any charts or maps, these can be used. And electrostatic plotters are used in computer aided designs for designing of any chart, because we give command by using the computer to the plotter, and the plotter performs on the charts, and these can be used in computer aided manufacturing. Okay students, you will learn these steps on fingertips. I hope you have understood that lecture. Allah Hafiz.